Hi everyone, welcome to PM Manager Training and Module sessions. Today we are diving into how you can sharpen your critical thinking and problem solving skills as a mentor. These skills are going to be game changers in helping your mentees navigate their challenges more confidently. Mentoring isn't just about giving answers, it's about guiding mentees to think for themselves. When you hold them analyze situation deeply, their decision making improves and so does their independence. And it also helps to build mentors' analytical and reflective thinking. So, what is critical thinking in mentoring? Critical thinking involves actively analyzing, evaluating, and questioning assumptions. As a mentor, encouraging your mentees to think critically helps them look beyond surface problems and consider different perspectives and possibilities. So then what is problem solving in mentoring? Problem solving here means identifying issues, brainstorming strategies, and evaluating possible outcomes. It's about helping mentees develop resilience by working through difficulties systematically rather than providing them with ready-made answers. Now I want to share a simple framework called 5CS. It breaks problem solving into bite-sized steps. The first one is challenge. This is where you and your mentees clearly identify the problem or obstacle they are facing. Sometimes it helps to break a big issue into smaller parts, like as what exactly is blocking you right now. This step ensures you are both focused on the real issue rather than just symptoms. So the next we have choices. We explore possible ways to address the challenge, encourage your mentee to brainstorm without judgment, and every idea is welcome, even if it seems far-fetched at first. And then the consequences. It's time to think through the potential risks of each choice. Talk with your mentee about what might happen if they try a certain approach, like you can ask what are the pros and cons here. This step doubles their ability to weigh outcomes critically. And then creative solutions. Sometimes the best answers come from combining ideas or thinking outside the box. Challenge your mentee to innovate or trick options. You might say, is there another way to look at this? Can you make these ideas? You can ask them like this. And then finally, conclusions. Decide on the best course of action and commit to it. This empowers your mentee to take ownership and move forward. When guiding mentees, it is essential to use open-ended questions that stimulate their reflection. Encourage them to weigh pros and cons of each option rather than jumping to quick decisions. One effective technique is using five whys, which helps identify the root cause of a problem by repeatedly asking why it happens. So as we continue, we will shift our focus from mentees to mentors themselves, specifically how mentors can strengthen their own analytical skills. To enhance analytical skills, we need to reflect on each mentoring session, what went well, what didn't, and why. And then we should also foster curiosity, encouraging mentees to question and explore rather than accept information passively. By sharing our own problem solving experiences, we model critical thinking in action. Now that we have covered how to enhance analytical skills, let's move on to some practical strategies mentors can use every day. There are some practical techniques for effective mentoring. Practice after listening and show empathy because it can really understand how what your mentee is saying, and offer constructive feedback that focuses on behavior, not personality. And encourage ownership. It lets mentees take responsibility for their decisions and learn from mistakes. These strategies make mentoring not only supported but also transformative. Now let me describe you the three main challenges that mentors often face. The first one is balancing guidance and autonomy. The second is setting clear goals and expectations to keep mentoring focused and measurable. And the last one is adapting to individual needs and learning style, since every mentee has their own different learning style. There are also solutions to address the challenges I mentioned before. You can encourage mentees to lead their own discussions and explore solutions independently, fostering their critical thinking skills. And then set clear, measurable goals to help ensure that your mentees learn to approach challenges systematically. And stay flexible. Tailor your mentoring approach to each mentee's style. So, as mentors grow, they also gain valuable skills themselves. So, what will be the benefits for the mentors through this process? Mentors gain highly valuable professional skills that are useful in any career, and they can also be able to learn to think logically under pressure and develop leadership and communication skills. Mentoring is not just about giving back, it's a journey of personal growth. Finally, let's summarize the key takeaways from today's session. In conclusion, critical thinking and problem solving are essential mentor skills that empower both mentors and mentees. And by applying the 5 Cs framework and practicing reflective questioning, mentors help mentees navigate challenges with confidence. Ultimately, peer assisted learning strengthens academic success and builds a culture of shared learning. Thank you for today, and I hope you will take these strategies for your own mentoring experiences. See you again. Bye bye.